Kolam or Rangoli symbolizes auspiciousness and good luck. That too, making Rangoli using rice flour is considered to be very auspicious during festivals, and especially to welcome Goddess Lakshmi to bless us with more positivity and prosperity.
Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to make rangoli using rice paste. Many of my friends have asked me about this video because the previous video was in Telugu language. So without taking much of your time, let us get into the video and learn how to draw rangoli using rice paste.
Take 1 cup of raw rice, soak it for 2 to 3 hours and add the soaked rice to the mixer jar. We will add little by little water and grind it into a paste. For 1 cup of rice, I have almost added half a cup of water. Check the consistency. See, it should be in a pouring consistency. Only then we will be able to make the rangoli, and the batter has to be finely ground. Now we need a muslin cloth or any thin cotton cloth available with you. It should be 6 to 7 inches in measurement. Just dip it into the batter. See, rice has the tendency to get thicker. So we need to always adjust the consistency by adding enough water. Now see, this is the perfect consistency to draw the rangoli. Now dip the cloth in the batter and squeeze it a bit so that it is not very wet nor very dry and has some batter in the cloth. Here we have to use only our thumb and ring finger for the rangoli. Now pressing the thumb finger, release the batter slowly in the cloth and use your ring finger to make the rangoli. When the fingers start to get dry, that means the batter is not there in the cloth. So we have to dip and squeeze it again and again to make the rangoli. I am just showing a simple design for you to just get an idea. This time I have shared the perfect measurements of rice and water. If you follow the same tips, you will be able to draw a perfect rangoli. One more thing, I have already shown in one of my videos about drawing swastik in a right way. Again, I am showing this for you all. We just have to draw number 5 without the 5th line and then draw L in the left side up and another reverse L in the bottom side. My humble request, please watch carefully without skipping the video. I have read about swastik. If we make the swastik in this way, we are actually destroying the energy of swastik by cutting it in the middle. So this is the wrong way of drawing swastik. Let me tell you my knowledge about swastik. Swastik or swastika, it means good existence, good luck and well-being. So it is believed that a person who regularly makes use of this symbol during daily puja rituals or who worships this symbol is said to invite good luck, well-being and positivity. And it is also believed to be the 108th symbols of Lord Vishnu. Also, the way the sun rises every morning without fail and then sets in the evening is similar to the way the swastika symbol never loses its form, as it is a symbol of infinity. Here there is one more simple freestyle kolam for you. Once the rangoli got dried, it looks so beautiful and divine. I have made it on a breakfast counter. Actually, I make this rangoli near temple and near the entrance of the house. So this is just to make you all visible, more visible. I have made this on a breakfast counter. We can keep this rangoli for a week and even for a month if nobody touches it. There is a different process to clean this rangoli because since rice is considered to be a goddess Annapurna, we should avoid cleaning it with a broom. So I always clean it with a brush first and then wipe it with a wet cloth. It just takes hardly 2 minutes for just brushing it and then wiping it with a clean cloth. Personally feel this rangoli gives out immense positive energy. So this is perfect rangoli to make on any festival. I believe that. I hope you like the video. If at all you like, please like and share it to your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. See you all soon with another interesting video. Take care. Bye.